He knows your friends. He knows your secrets. And now, he wants your eyes. Mark Zuckerberg has a problem. He's a tenant. Apple and Google own the phones. They own the stores. They make the rules. In 2021, Tim Cook pressed a single button. Ask app not to track. It cost Meta $10 billion in 1 year. Mark was furious. He realized that as long as you're using a phone, he's a slave to the platform. So, he started a secret project, Project Orion. The goal? Kill the iPhone, replace it with something much closer. He spent $50 billion. Investors called him crazy. They thought he was building cartoons. In reality, he was building the ultimate spy tool. Imagine this. You're just walking down the street. You look at a stranger, and your glasses instantly scan their face. The image is sent to Meta's servers, tapping into a database of 3 billion users. An instant match. Name, job, address, even their relationship status. The AI listens, and it tells you exactly what to say to make them like you. It records everything. You can actually rewind your life to find where you left your keys. Meta isn't just mapping streets anymore. They're mapping the inside of your home. And how do you control it? Not with your voice, but with your brain. The neural wristband reads your motor neurons. You think click, and it clicks. This is the ultimate data harvest. Your eyes have become their cameras. Remember Google Glass? It failed. Honestly, it just looked stupid. Mark knew the secret, vanity. To work, it had to look cool. So he partnered with Luxottica, the absolute masters of fashion. The Ray-Ban Meta. It looks like standard sunglasses, but it sees everything. It went viral. Kids loved it. Hands-free TikTok was the game changer. We finally accepted a camera on our face simply because it was fashionable. Then he added the brain, Meta AI, powered by Llama 3. Now it translates languages instantly and identifies the world around you. They sold out everywhere. The Trojan horse is officially inside the gates. The phone stays in your pocket. Mark is winning. Elon fights the government. Mark, he invites them to dinner. He's been grilled by Congress time and time again, yet he survives. Why? Because he owns the data, and in this world, knowledge is power. Meta spends millions on lobbying. They didn't just follow the rules, they wrote them. Then he made his AI open source, essentially saying, "Here, take it." But make no mistake, it wasn't charity. It was a weapon designed to destroy Google's moat. The government needs AI supremacy, and Mark, he's the one building it. Notice who they actually banned. TikTok, Meta's biggest rival. He isn't just a businessman anymore. He is a state asset. He spends $20 million a year on security. He knows too much. 2016, we thought we saw the dark side. Cambridge Analytica. They stole 87 million profiles. It was psychological warfare. Mark apologized. "We will do better," he said. But it was all just a performance. They didn't actually stop. They just built higher walls. Back then, it was just about your likes. Now, they want your looks. With these glasses, Cambridge Analytica looks like child's play. The apology tour is over. The conquest begins. Elon wants Mars. Mark wants the Earth. Project Orion, the most advanced consumer electronics ever made. If he controls the glasses, he controls what you see. He can replace real-world billboards with his own ads. He becomes the new Apple, the new god of the operating system. Smartphones are a $1 trillion market. AR is even bigger. He bought all the GPUs. He owns the brain of the future. Physical reality is overrated. He wants digital supremacy. Elon is distracted. Mark is focused, laser-focused. The first trillionaire might not be the Rocket Man. It could be amazing, superpowers for your eyes. Or it could be the end of human connection. Privacy is dead. Privacy was a 20th century concept. Will you wear them? Will you give him your eyes? The future is watching. Subscribe.